Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I'm trying out this gel kit and I'm just going to get straight into the video with the unboxing. So the first thing you get are some instructions, and then underneath came two separate little packages. One seemed to be like a decor package and one seemed to be like a gel one. And here I am quickly showing you all the gels. These are solid creams, which I've never really used that much before. It was also really interesting to see that they included a brush cleaner, but we'll get into that in a minute. So these are the solid cream gels, and these were all like nude kind of shades, and I'll be showing you the color on the back. So I'm quickly going to show you all the shades, and these are the ones you get. I did like these that these were kind of like a sheer kind of nude, which I really like because it makes it look a little bit more natural and you can also build it up. So that's what all the shades are like. The next thing you get is this little dusting brush, which I really needed a new one because my one kind of has some gel in it. Now this bag was really interesting because it has this gel brush cleaner, and I didn't know it was gel until I saw like the consistency inside the bottle. It also comes with like this little like nozzle that you can kind of screw on, and it's really well sealed too, which I appreciate because gel can really get everywhere. So yeah, this is really interesting. No, I didn't use it in this video because I completely forgot. I'm sorry about that, but I will try it out in my next one. Next you get, of course, your base, your matte, and your top coat. A very interesting consistency. I didn't like the matte top coat. It had a really bad smell, and it looked very cloudy, which is what I actually kind of avoid when shopping for matte top coats. As for the actual top coat and base coat, they had a very good consistency, especially that top coat. It was really nice and thick. This is like a gel, which I didn't open because I just have way too many gel pots right now that are spilling and I just don't need another one. So I just kind of left that out, but that just seemed to be like another top coat kind of gel. That's what the bottle said anyway. You also get two beautiful glitters. This was the one I used today, and you also get this nice light purple / pinky one. You also get some striping tape, which I don't like. I don't use that at all. You also get these really pretty pearls, and I'm so happy to see that they are like flat backs because they make applying to the nails so much easier, and it's also really beautiful. Like some of these were like these ombre shades, and I really love this pinky like ones. Those are really cool. Next you get a couple of files. You get a buffer, a really soft buffer as well, and I don't think it came with a nail file, which was kind of interesting, but yeah. You also get a cuticle oil, really nice. I love these cuticle oils. They don't really have a scent, but they are really nice and easy to put on. Then I've just laid out all the other accessories that you get. So you get a brush, which I used in this video, really nice simple little brush. However, these brushes usually don't last me very long. You get a cuticle cutter and a pusher. I don't like the cutting one. I used to use that before and I just don't like it anymore. You also get some tweezers and of course some nail clippers, which are really nice and sturdy. I really like the quality of these. So yeah, so far so good. And the last thing you get are some paper forms as well. So I'm just going to start off with applying my peel off base coat. I had no idea what I was going to do today, but I definitely did want to pop the nails off just because I have been just waiting to do my nails for a little bit. So I'm just going to be applying my peel off base today and just speeding that up really quick. Then picking up my Macart stiletto nail tips and my Born Pretty gel, which is amazing. You guys should check that out in the description box below. And I like to use this base coat as opposed to the one in the kit is because this one has a really nice thick consistency, and it really helps my nails to stay on, especially because I have the peel off base. So as per usual, I'm gonna just be like applying these, and today I did a little trick that I saw on TikTok where they kind of applied the tips like a couple millimeters away from the cuticle area, and then they later went on to fill it in with gel. And I thought this was genius because no matter how much you will kind of file the cuticle area, you always tend to get that little bit of lifting with these nail tips, like this method of applying tips. So I thought, would this like eliminate that? So I did try it and it worked really nice. I didn't think that the gel that I'm applying now would like disguise that little line, but it completely did, and I was just so amazed. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing this, especially if I want to keep the nail set on. So there I am, just applying a little bit of gel there, filling in the gap. You'll see it better on the thumb, and pushing it up to the cuticle. Of course, not touching it, and then just kind of brushing the rest down. I'm not really building any structure, any apex or anything. It's just to purely kind of get it in there. You could probably also do this with like a tiny fine liner brush or something. That would work really good. So I did go in and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm taking the nude 005 shade from this kit that I got. And I'm doing a thin layer of this, and it was really nice to see that it was like a nice kind of, I wouldn't really say sheer, but it was very natural looking. It wasn't like this really opaque brownie shade. It looked a lot more natural than I wanted it to be, which was really nice. I didn't do a second coat as well because I just wanted the more kind of natural look. So now I'm taking the base coat from the kit and that really stunning glitter, and I'm gonna be applying this. I'm gonna do like an ombre, and this glitter was so pretty. I loved it so much. The cameras are not doing it justice, but I'm just applying that glitter to the cuticle area, and going down, and as I go down it's going to get more sparse, which is going to create that kind of gradient effect. And I cured that first layer, and now I'm doing a second layer of base coat that's going to seal in the glitter but also give me the chance to kind of fill in those gaps that I couldn't get with the first layer. So I really like to do this as well. And also when you're applying glitter, try to like really push it down so that it lays flat. So once I cured that for 60 seconds, I'm taking this sheer jelly blue shade. I just mixed this regular blue with some some base coat, and I applied it to the nail. And then I'm just ever so slightly brushing whatever is left on my brush onto the nail to kind of create a bit of like this glittery background. And then just taking some white gel and a striping brush, I'm doing like these little icicles. These don't have to be perfect, just make sure that the line closer to the cuticle area is thicker, and as you go down it gets a little bit more narrow. And I also did use the brush in this kit to kind of clean the lines up a bit, you'll see what I mean, and that kind of gave it a bit more of like this realistic icicle kind of look. But yeah, this was really easy to do. I really feel like this was such an easy design to do. And then just for like some extra added, I don't know, sparkliness, I did go in with some glitter and just kind of ever so slightly pour that over the top. And I thought this looked really good, except for the fact that I forgot to top coat it. I forgot to top coat the nail first before doing this, because I only thought about it after I did the icicle, which was kind of annoying. But I'm still going to end up top coating it later. You'll just see, I'll just go between the design that I did. So I'm kind of repeating that to the baby finger, except I believe this finger is going to be like a French, and this French is going to be like just your typical French, but then on the nail bed area I'm just going to fill that in with glitter, which I thought that was nice. I just really wanted to get the most out of this glitter. It was so stunning. I really wanted to show it off in this nail design. But anyways, I'm gonna just move on to the next nail first. I tried to save the glitter for the end because the other nails got really messy. So yeah, I just tried to do this nail first. This nail was a little bit harder, so I just wanted to get this one out of the way. I don't really work in like a particular order. Sometimes I just jump from nail to nail. That's just how it is sometimes. So for this nail, I'm doing that beautiful nude shade. Again, I believe I did 2 coats on this, and then just dipping my brush in some rubbing alcohol, or you can use acetone. I'm just cleaning up that line to make sure it's super straight, and then just going over with the tiniest layer again, just because I wanted to make it a little bit more even. And then taking that white gel, I'm creating a line, very thin line, and this is gonna be like a block nail. I think that's what it's called. It's where you have like these sections on your nail of like different colors, but in this nail I'm gonna add some of that beautiful glitter. And of course, just before you apply your glitter, make sure you have something wet for your glitter to stick onto. You could, of course, you know, do this on a cured base coat, but I don't recommend that, just because for the amount of glitter that I'm adding today, the that sticky tacky layer of cured base coat is not going to be enough to hold your glitter down. So just do like a nice wet layer of base coat and leave that uncured, and then do your glitter instead. And then if you want to do a second layer, just repeat that, add your base coat over the glitter, and then just fill in the areas that you feel are looking a little bit sparse, a little bit empty, and then cure it again. And that's pretty much it. Then taking my dotting tool, I thought I'd do these little dots, just random little dots, and then I decided also to do the glitter sprinkle thing, which looked cute. Again, I forgot to do the top coat again. I should have top coated and then done this. So if you're gonna do something like this, don't do what I'm doing. Apply your top coat and then do your glitter, because you cannot put top coat on top of the glitter. I mean, you could, but it's gonna ruin that effect. And I was going for that sugared look, that sugared glittery look. So yeah, don't forget to do that. And like I said, for the pinky finger, just add a blob of base coat to like the nail bed area. And then I'm just going to be pressing that glitter right in. It's such a stunning little glitter. I haven't used loose glitter in a while, so I thought it would be really fun to use today. And I'm really happy I did use the blue, because I had this perfect little blue to create this blue jelly shade as well. So that turned out really good and just ended up matching really nicely with the glitter. So for the thumb, I'm doing the same thing that I did to the pinky finger. Sorry, I'm not in focus for this. Sometimes it likes to focus on the background, but pretty much just doing that French tip, and then gonna be applying base coat on the nail bed area, and then again pressing that glitter in really, really good. And then when I was happy, I cured all my nails for a good 60 seconds and then just going in with the top coat. Now the top coat in this kit was really nice and thick. It wasn't as thick as some of my other top coats, but because it had such a good thick consistency, I felt like it was enough to create a nice smooth layout over that loose glitter we applied. So that was really nice, because I feel like those kind of top coats are more smoothing and allow for like a much even, more shinier surface. So that was really nice. I struggled a little bit top coating this finger because, like I said, I forgot to do the top coat. But yeah, just kind of using my brush to get in between, and that was pretty much it. I'm also just gonna be applying some cuticle oil in the end and then rubbing that in really, really good. And this is the finished look. Don't forget to let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this different type of video. I usually don't do like this style of video where it's like gel only. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. It was really fun to create this. I think it's definitely giving me like winter vibes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out this kit down below. I'm sure you guys will love it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.